Here is a backup method you can use. Follow these steps to back up personal data from the tablet to the PC. First, power on the tablet and connect it to the PC using a USB data cable. Next, on the tablet screen, swipe down from the top. To access quick settings, select charging this device via USB option and select file transfer. For some models, select media device MTP. After that, on the computer, select the device. In my computer or this PC, open internal shared storage. Last of all, choose the files and folders to transfer onto the computer.